How to download and install Yandere Simulator on PC or laptop. First of all, launch your web browser on your device. Now search for Yandere Simulator download. And after that, you will land on the result page. You have to simply click on the first link that says Yandere Simulator Home. And then you will reach on the official interface of Yandere Simulator. Simply scroll down. Now tap on download button. And now scroll down and click on Download Launcher button. Now, the launcher will typically download to your Downloads folder. You can easily see it and open and show in folder. After that, you need to select an app to open the zip file. So click on Always, and once you have done that, simply double click on this file and then click on Extract All. Now you need to browse the location and click on Extract button. Once done, you need to simply double click on that and then click on Install button. Now you need to wait for something to do. It might take a few time according to your internet connection. You can sit back and relax while the game downloads. It may take some time depending upon your internet speed as I already said. And after you download it, you can easily launch the game and then start playing it. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded and installed Yandere Simulator. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.